Howard gives us a trip down memory lane with a dessert recipe so sweet you'll want to make it your own family tradition. We're making cold fudge cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Some of the best recipes are often ones we grew up with. You know, the ones that instantly take us back to our childhood. Well, today we're sharing a recipe that our test kitchen director, Patty, grew up with. And you won't believe how easy it is. We start by combining some melted butter, flour, and lots of finely chopped walnuts, and we press that firmly into a baking dish before popping it in the oven. This will be our crust. While it bakes, we make a filling by beating together some cream cheese and powdered sugar. Now, get this. We fold in some whipped topping. That's going to make the filling nice and light. Once the crust cools, we'll spread the cream cheese mixture over it. The easiest way to do that is with an offset spatula or with the back of a soup spoon. On top of that goes a layer of chocolate pudding and more whipped topping. Then we sprinkle on some chopped walnuts. Talk about decadent. Once it's chilled, it's ready to dig into. And if it's Patty's all-time favorite go-to dessert, you know it's a good one. To get the recipe for our once top secret cold fudge cake, check out our website. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying the cool creaminess with every forkful. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a decadent layer after layer way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I know some people who would really like that recipe. And you can find it along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website.